Let's see. Check that landing, huh? Hey, these guys know their stuff. Well done, Mark. Give him a round of applause, folks. Mark Wolf. Now, okay, I'll tell you a bit about this thing. Because I'm pretty airy. This is a manure of airy. And the reason he wears the reason he wears the baggy pants, because if he was to wear those stovepipe pants, you'd actually see the legs. Because he's got his whole mortgage in there, you know. So seriously, it's 42%. John, 42, 45. Sue me for 5%. 47% scale. In other words, this thing is half the size of the full size. Okay. Yeah, there's the full size there. Okay. Listen, I think you're colorblind, eh? There's blue on that one. No, but that's the full size. The motor in this thing, 210 cc. There's motorbikes with less than half of that one. This is a serious crash. Watch this now. So, stand back. Yeah, there's a full-size plane coming in. We're just giving them a break. Hey? Oh, we can go. Okay, all right. Yeah. Watch this. And normally you risk your fingers. Not these oaks. Hey? Hey, lazy. Self-start. What's that song? You can keep your hat on? Even got your nav lights. It's got your port and starboard lights. Landing light, look on the front. See it? Creepy crawly exhaust, yeah. You know, you could actually, you know, in the old days, when your baby wouldn't sleep, you'd put it on in the car and you go for a drive, or you put it on a tumble dryer, you know, put your kid in there. I tell you what, next time you say go to sleep, I'm asleep. Okay, so watch this, boys and girls. This is going to be interesting. Right. Okay, there's a bit of confusion there. Rickers is the guy that will deal with the full-size plane and tell him to go sightseeing a bit first. We're going to do a display. Just not quite the power-to-weight ratio that you need. Just need another couple of horsepower. This thing's so overpowered.